Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video and we'll talk soon.
Well, hey family, we're going to make another pendant real quick, and I'm going to be using this leather bead right here. I need to make some more of these. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one, and then I'm going to go ahead and use these aluminum wire spacers that I made. And let me see, do I want to make a big hoop at the bottom or no? Let's do something. I think I'm going to put a small bead on the bottom. And let's just use one of the small black beads because I just need to put something on the bottom because these are big holes, right? So I need, let me see, to be able, I'm going to put this through here, but I need it to be able to not go through. So I need to find something flat. So it might be one of these metal ones, because that won't do no good if the thing is going to fall through. So what I can do, okay, so that fits like that, you can see, but at the top, you see right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close these little parts in here. I'm going to bring them closer together if I can. To where it, let's see if that'll work out for us. Right in the middle. And then let me see, I'm going to put this bead on here. I might have to figure something else out, but let's see. Nope, and that is going to fit good. So then we got this one here that fits right on top of that one. And this is basically going to be a pendant. So for this one, let me see. So I need to put something on here that is, oh, I like that. That's real boho-ish. Do I got another coconut chip up here? Or I got this brown bead right here. So that fits right on top. Like that. And that's a pendant. That is really cool. And then all I'm going to do, it's a nice hole at the top, you can see. So I'm going to take, let's see, maybe this one. We'll take that little bead right there. We're going to squeeze it and then go ahead and bend it over. And then go ahead and wrap that wire around like that. Straighten it up. And then just go ahead and wrap. And then straighten that up. And then I'll go ahead and clip it about right there. And this I can use for like a little charm or something. And then I'm going to just take the wire. You can see right there. And just go ahead and close it over. It's not closing like I want it to close. So I'm going to grab that. And I basically just want to close it as if I was making a hoop. Like that. And then just roll it. And then I smash it on. And then the bottom, I'm going to just take this part. Well, actually, I could leave it like that. It almost looks like a little submarine, but it's very boho-ish. And I really like this. This would be really cool too, hanging like maybe from a leather cord or something. But I like this. I might change out some of the charms. But then I do kind of like the way it looks. I like it. You guys let me know what you think. That was really quick. That was like this is a 5-minute pendant. It don't even take long to make pendants, you know, once you know what supplies you're going to use. But this was just something like really quick. And I am going to sit here and make some more pendant. I might hang something from the bottom. Well, no, that's enough hanging. I am going to sit here and make some more pendants. And, you know, do some other stuff. I got a lot of stuff to do. It's been a busy day. So, Darlene Knight with Jerk by BDK. And guess what? We'll talk.